Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Kawasaki NINJA ZX636. This is the one that's got a lot more mid-range than the regular 600s. Much better for the street. A lot more low-end torque. Really makes it fun to ride on the street. This bike is in very nice condition. Has a brand new back tire, only 13,000 miles. Just $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's got a nice Puig double bubble screen, smoked. It has adjustable CRG levers in gold, so they match the front suspension. Really nice bike. Yoshimura exhaust, fender eliminator. Let me fire it up for you so you can see how awesome it sounds. Come by, check it out. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Make your mid-size sport bike dreams come true with this gorgeous 2006 ZX636 NINJA. Yoshimura exhaust, new radio on the back, only 13,000 miles, just $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.